Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to replace the battery in your Volkswagen Golf key. This is a simple task you can do at home in just a few minutes. Most Volkswagen Golf key fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, which is widely available. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. To protect your key fob from any marks, it is a good idea to wrap the tip of your screwdriver with a small piece of tape. Now let's get started by opening your key fob. First, press the small release button, usually found on the side or back, to extend the emergency mechanical key. With the mechanical key out, you will see a small slot or seam on the key fob's edge. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob housing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With your key fob now open, you will see the old coin cell battery nestled in its compartment. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver or fingers. It is important to note the battery's orientation before removing it. For most CR2032 batteries, the positive side, which typically has text or a plus symbol, faces upwards. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring it is placed in the exact same orientation as the old one. You are almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob housing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming they are securely snapped shut. Next, slide the emergency mechanical key back into its slot until it locks into place. Finally, take your newly reassembled key fob to your vehicle and test all its functions, like locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything is working perfectly. You have successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.